Hi to all, welcome to my 4th class on chapter number 4, quadratic equations. In this class I am going to discuss some word problems from exercise 4.3. Look at the first question. The sum of the reciprocal of Rehman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Here, present age of Rehman, you can take it as x. So, we can write, let x years be the present age of Rehman. Then, what is his age 3 years ago? 3 years ago, age of Rehman, you can write as x minus 3 years. Then, what is 5 years from now? That means after 5 years. 5 years from now, age of Rehman, that you can write as x plus 5 years. Now, what is the condition of the problem? The sum of the reciprocal of Rehman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. That means the sum of reciprocal of x minus 3 and x plus 5 will be 1 by 3. So, we can write, according to the condition of the problem, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now, how will you solve? You know, if a by b plus c by d is given, how will you calculate? It is equal to, you just cross multiply, that is AD plus, then you multiply b into c, that is BC. Now divided by multiply the denominators b into d. If it is so, you can multiply 1 into x plus 5, that is x plus 5, plus 1 into x minus 3, it is x minus 3, whole divided by, you have to multiply the denominators x minus 3 into x plus 5, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now, numerator is x plus x, you can write it as 2x. 5 minus 3 is plus 2 divided by, now x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now, that is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? It is, first take the square of the equal term, then plus the different terms are a and b, find the sum of that terms into x plus product of a and b, that is a. That is x minus 3 into x plus 5, you can write it as x square plus, now what is minus 3 plus 5? It is 2. So 2x. Now minus 3 into 5, it is minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Here again you can cross multiply, that means 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. That means you transpose 3 to LHS and x square plus 2x minus 15 into RHS. Now do simplify. What will you get? 3 into 2x, you can write it as 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 50. Now transpose 6x plus 6 to the other side. So other side is x square plus 2x minus 15. Transpose 6x, it will be minus 6x, and plus 6 will be minus 6, which is equivalent to 0. That is x square plus 2x minus 6x. It is minus 4x. Minus 15 minus 6, that is minus 21 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 4, C is equal to negative 20. Find the value of x by using quadratic formula. Do yourself. You will get x is equal to 7 or negative 3. But here x is the age of Rehman. It cannot be negative. So the percentage of Rehman you can take it as 7. Do yourself. Here is the next question. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Here, any one of the subjects mark you can take it as x. So, first you can write, let x be the marks of Shefali in mathematics. Now, what is her marks in English? The sum of these 2 subjects is 30. So, one we took it as x. So, other will be 30 minus x. So, we can write. Therefore, her marks in English is equal to 30 minus x. Now, look at the condition. Here she got 2 marks more in mathematics. The mark of mathematics is x. Then 2 more mark means x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English. English mark is 30 minus x. Now 3 mark less means minus 3. That is 27 minus x. Now look at the condition. The product would have been 210. So we can write, according to the condition of the problem, x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210. Now here 27 minus x you can write as minus x plus 27. Now let me take minus 1 common, then it is x minus 27. Minus 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into minus 27 is plus 27. So this we can write it as x plus 2 into minus 1 into x minus 27 is equal to 210. Here you put an into. Now do transpose negative 1 to the other side. So it will be x plus 2 into x minus 27. 210 divided by negative 1 is negative 210. Now x plus 2 into x minus 27, which is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So you can write x square plus 2 plus negative 27. It is negative 25, then add x, then 2 into negative 27. It is negative 54 is equal to negative 210. Now transpose negative 210 to LHS. It is x square minus 25x minus 54 plus 210 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 25x minus 54 plus 210. It is plus 156 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 25, c is equal to 156. Do find out the rows by quadratic formula. You will get the value of x as 12 and 30. So here two cases will be there. If x is equal to 12, find the marks of mathematics and English. Then if x is equal to 13, find the marks of mathematics and English. That is, if mathematics mark is 12, then English mark is 30 minus 12. If mathematics mark is 13, English mark will be 30 minus 30. Do yourself. Here is your next question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. Now let me take a rectangle first. Here is your rectangle. Let me draw its diagonal. Now it is given that the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Let the shorter side be x, then diagonal will be 60 more than x, that is x plus 60 meters. And the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So how can you write it? It is x plus 30. Let me name the rectangle as A, B, C, D. Here you can see ABC is a right angled triangle and sides are given. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. So let us write all this detail. Let x be the length of the shorter side, then the length of the diagonal. Length of the diagonal, you can write it as x plus 60 meters, and the length of the longer side, it is x plus 30 meter. So here you can take x meter be the length of the shorter side. Now by Pythagoras theorem you can write, by Pythagoras theorem, what is the condition? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. That you can write it as x plus 30 the whole square plus x square. You can write it as x plus 60 the whole square. Do simplify yourself. X plus 30 whole square, you will get it as x square plus 2 into 30 into x, that is 60x plus 30 square is 900. Then plus x square is equal to x plus 60 whole square, you can write it as x square plus 2 into x into 60, it is 120x plus 60 square is 3600. Now take all term one side, that is x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square. Now transposing, it will be minus x square minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0. X square plus x square, 2x square minus x square means it will be x square. Now 60x minus 120x, that is minus 60x. Now 900 minus 3600, it is minus 2700 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 60, C is equal to negative 2700. Do find out the roots by quadratic formula. You will get the value of x is equal to negative 30 or 90. But it cannot be negative because it is the length of the rectangle. It cannot be negative. So you can take the length of the shorter side as 90. Therefore, length of the longer side you can write it as 30 plus 90 is 120 meters. Here is the next question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The condition given is the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find two numbers. Let me take the smaller number be x. So let x be the smaller number. Now, what is the condition? square of the smaller number is, that is x square is equal to 8 times the larger number. That means 8 times larger number. Therefore, how can you find out the larger number? Larger number is equal to, you transpose 8 to the other side, it is x square by 8. So smaller number is x, larger number is x square by 8. The difference of squares of two number is 180. So we can write, according to the condition of the problem, difference of squares, that means x square by 8 is the larger number, its square, minus x is the smaller number and its square. This is the difference of squares, which is equal to 180. That is, simplify, x square whole square is x raised to 4, 8 square is 64, minus x square is equal to 180. Do multiply each term by 64, you get x raised to 4 minus 64 x square is equal to 11,520. 64 into 180. Now transpose 11,520 to the other side. So it is x raised to 4 minus 64 x square minus 11,520 is equal to 0. How do you solve this equation? It is x raised to 4. We know to solve the quadratic equation only. But you can make this into a quadratic equation. How? Let me take x square is equal to y. So right, let x square is equal to some other variable y. Then what is x raised to 4? X raised to 4 means x square the whole square. That is x square you took it as y. So it is equal to y square. So this equation you can write it as, then the equation becomes x raised to 4, you can write it as y square minus 64 x square means 64y minus 11,520 is equal to 0. Now you can get the value of y. How do you get the value of x? Y is equal to x square. Do find out the square root of the answer. You will get the value of x. Now let me solve this equation. Y you can write it as negative b, that is negative of negative 64 plus or minus square root of b square, that is negative 64 the whole square minus 4ac means 4 into 1 into negative 11,520 whole divided by 2m is 2 into 1 2. That is 64 plus or minus square root of 64 square 4096 you will get. Now minus of minus will be plus 4 into 1 4 into 11,520 you will get it as 46,080. Now whole divided by 2, that is 64 plus or minus 4096 plus 46,080, it is 50,176 you will get divided by 2. Now square root of 50,176 is 224. So this you can write it as 64 plus or minus 224 by 2. Here y you will get it as negative 80 or 144. Here y is equal to negative 80 we can reject. So y is equal to 144. But actually y means, which implies x square is equal to 144. So x is equal to plus or minus 12. That is smaller number, you can take it as plus or minus 12. And what about larger number? Larger number is equal to x square by 8. That means 12 square by 8. That is 12 square by 8. It is 144 by 8, which you will get it as 80. Therefore, the numbers are 12 and 80 or negative 12 and 80. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day.